Okay, so good morning all of you. Myself, I am Praveen Kumar from Varangal. Okay, today I am discussing about the topic is sign convention rules. Okay, in your problem system development based upon the sign convention rules. If you know sign convention, then go to problems. Otherwise, don't do. It will be plus or minus, some changes are there. Answer will be different answer scheme. First of all, learn the sign convention rules. Okay, what are the sign means? What are the points of the first point? If you take the concave or convex, spherical mirror. Spherical mirror, there are two types of that, concave and convex. Either taking the concave or convex. Okay, here we take the concave is there. Then we take the concave. Okay. This is the concave mirror. Okay. This is the principal axis. Okay. First point. All distances measured in the all distance measured in pole. All distance means u, object distance, image distance, focal length. All distance measured from pole. Measured from pole. Okay. See the second point. Either you take this is the object distance. Here is the object position. Here is the pole. Is there. All distance. Either object distance, either image distance, focal length. All distance measured from pole. Here is the pole. P. Okay. Second point. Pole is taken as origin. Pole is taken as origin. Principal axis take it as x-axis. Pole taken to be taken as origin. And principal axis take as x-axis. Principal axis take it to x-axis. Means this is the principal axis. Means this is the x-axis. Here is the pole is there. Pole means origin. Here 0, 0 in this point. Okay. See the third point. Distance is measured. Direction of incident ray. Distance is measured. Direction of incident ray take as positive. Distance measured. Direction of incident rays. Take it as positive. Direction of incident ray as positive. Okay. See the next one. Distance is measured. Direction of incident ray is opposite. Take it as negative. Distance is measured. Direction of opposite direction. Here is the opposite direction. Opposite direction of incident ray. Take it as negative. For example, here is there. This is the here is the okay. Whenever candle is in this position, this is the incident ray. Incident ray is opposite or not? Opposite. Take it as negative. Here is the pole is there. All distance measured from pole. This one is right. This side is there. Direction this side. Take it as positive. It is opposite direction. Take it as negative only. Okay. See the next one. Okay. Distance is above the principal axis. Means like this. Here is the above principal axis. This is the principal axis. Above the principal axis, take it positive. Below the principal, next time. The distance is measured in below the principal axis, take it as negative. Here is the origin. Upside is positive, downside is negative. Distance is below the principal axis. Take it to negative. Means here the above is taken as positive, below is the negative. Here is the opposite side is there. Take it as side is positive. For example, here is the image. Image is downward. Take it as negative. Next point is the angles. The angles measured from pole, from normal line to angle, some line to the line. For example, clockwise is there. Clockwise means positive, negative. Clockwise take as negative. Anti-clockwise take as positive. Here is a, for example, candle in this position. This is the origin. Here is this side is taken as positive and this side taken as negative. Here left side taken as negative or here is the positive. Okay, here is principal axis. Above the principal axis taken as positive, below the principal axis taken as negative. Okay, whenever here is the object is there, object is candle is there. This is the candle position. In this the incident ray. This is the incident ray. Okay, in this the incident ray is quite opposite. Direction is opposite direction. Means negative. Okay. These are sign conventional points are there. If you remember this point, then go to problems. Otherwise, don't go. Okay. Next one, I will explain some diagrams. How to take it as positive and negative. For example, here we take one mirror is there, concave mirror. Here is the mirror. This is pole. Here is the concave mirror. Here is the pole is there. Okay. Whenever direction of incident rays, this direction. Pole means pole take as origin. This is the x-axis. Okay. Above, for example, this direction is there. Object. The light is this direction. Here is the positive. Here is all distance are measured from pole only. Here from pole. This one is positive. For example, this direction. Here also positive. For example, here is the candle. Candle is in this position. Means here is this is the incident ray. Incident ray is opposite direction. Both are in opposite direction. In incident ray vectors negative. Object is negative or positive. This is the object distance. Object distance from O point to P point. This distance is called as object distance. Here is object distance. Plus or minus. Minus is there. Here the principal eye. Here the pole is there. Left hand side take as negative. Right hand side take as positive. Here is the object distance. Here is equals to minus. This is the incident ray. Here is reflection and here also reflection. Means this is the image formation. This is image formation. Okay. Here is the image formation is below. Means right in HIH not also. Next B. B is positive or negative? B. Okay. This direction. B is positive. B is positive. Means this is the direction. Direction is this direction only. It also this direction. From pole this direction is positive. Okay. See the H naught is object height. This is the object height above the principal axis. Positive only. H means here is downward. Means negative. Okay. These are the minimum components are there. If you know science, then go to problems. Otherwise, not understanding proper answer. Okay. Next one is the mirror equation. Okay. Explain about the mirror equation. Here also same symbol. By here we will take in the concave mirror. Okay. Here is the silver body concept. Okay. This is the principal axis. Okay. Here is the C point is in this center of curvature. In this point is there. Okay. Whenever the object is placed in this position, O point. whenever point-sized object is placed in this point, this is the incident ray. This is the incident ray. Okay. I am also taking the here is point is A. This is the incident ray, incident at A point. It will be reflection. I am also taking another incident rays along passing through center of curvature P. Here we are taking the point size of the object. Here we are taking the two incident rays are. First one is this one. Second one is along passing through center of curvature 2. Okay. Whenever the incident ray along passing through center of curvature, when the strikes at the pole, it will be bounce back along same path, but in opposite direction. But same path. Okay. Here is the here also same symbol. After striking, it will be bounce back. Okay. Whenever two reflected rays meet in a point with principal focus, this is the principal focus, or also image formation. Image formation which require minimum two reflected and refracted rays are there. Means image formation. Okay, here is the image formation. Okay. For example, how to draw a normal line from point of incident to center of curvature. Point of incident to center of curvature is normal line. Okay. This is the normal line. Okay. Here we are taking some angles are there. This one is alpha point. Alpha. Here we are taking, let us assume we are taking three angles. Here is alpha. Here is center of curvature is beta. Okay. Here is I angle is taken as gamma. Here we are taking three angles are there. Okay. Already you know laws of reflection. What is meant by laws of reflection? Two laws are there: incident ray, reflected ray, normal ray, are in same plane. Second law: angle of incident equals to angle of reflection. See here, this is the theta. Angle of incident, how much is the angle theta? And angle of reflection also theta. Okay. Here is the incident rays OA and reflected rays AI. Another incident ray along passing through principal axis. It will be reflected and same path, but in the opposite direction. Whenever two reflected rays meet at a point, will be image formation. Okay. Here we are taking the first one is the triangle. Here we are taking the triangle OAC. Triangle OAC. Okay. This one. Okay. For example, here let us discuss about the one by one. Here is angle is theta 1. Here is theta 2. Here is the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means it has 60, 60, 60 is there. How much here is there? How much this angle? It's 120. For example, here is 60, 60, 60. Equilateral triangle equals, all are equal. 60, 60, 60. Here is how much angle is there? 120. Here also same symbol. Here we are taking the triangle OAC. Draw. This one is alpha. This one is theta. Here is how much angle is there? How much this angle? Here is the beta is given. Okay, beta is equals to alpha plus theta. Here is 60 plus 60 is 120. Here also same symbol. Beta is equals to alpha plus theta. Right now, triangle OAC. Beta, this angle is equals to how much? 60 plus 60 means alpha plus theta. Beta equals to alpha plus theta. Okay. Here we will take the second triangle. Triangle BAI. BAI. Equals to, here is how much angle is there? Gamma. Gamma is equals to beta plus theta. Beta plus theta. Okay. Equation number 1, equation number 2. Here is negative. Here is minus, minus, minus. Okay. Here is the subtraction is there. T plus theta minus theta is cancelled. Means here is the beta minus gamma. Beta minus gamma equals to alpha minus beta. Here is alpha minus beta. Alpha minus beta. Write down the equation. Okay. Equation number 1. Equation number 2. Okay. Beta will come this side. Here is the minus. Come this side means positive. Plus beta is 2 beta. 2 beta equals to gamma. This comes this side. RHS means here is minus. Here come this means positive. Alpha plus gamma. Okay. Here is the equation number 3. Okay. For example, here are taken here we are taking 2 triangles are 3 triangles are okay. Here is taken triangle OAP. Triangle OAP. OAP. Okay. Tan alpha equals to, here we take the tan. Okay, tan alpha equals to AP by tan alpha means opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, opposite side by adjacent. Okay, here is opposite side is AB. AB means height. Okay. Tan alpha equals to AB by PO or PO. Okay, AB equals to height. Here we take the H by PO means here is the object distance from point. When it is the point position, O point to P point is called as object distance. This is U. It can be denoted by U. Here is the here is origin. Here is left side is there. Left side means negative only. Okay. Here is the minus. You apply the sign convention. Okay. Second line, take it as triangle BAP. BAP. Okay. Here also same thing. Taking the angle is beta. Tan beta equals to tan beta equals to here is AP by PC. AP by PC. Okay. AP means H and PC means here is the distance between center of curvature to pole is radius of curvature. Means here is the R. Okay. Here is R. Here also R is left side is there. Left side means negative sign. Okay. Third triangle is triangle IAP. IAP. Okay. Here is angle is gamma is there. Tan gamma. Tan gamma equals to AP by PI. AP by PI. Okay. AP equals to H. Height is there. Okay. Here is the PI means image distance from pole to image formation is image distance. It can be denoted B. Okay. Here is equals to H by minus B. Okay. Write it all components. Here is one. Tan angle. Tan angles are there. Small components are there. Small angles are there. Small angles mean paraxial axis are there. Paraxial angles are there. Okay. In this the incident rays are paraxial rays are there. Small angle take this. Means tan alpha equals to alpha. Tan alpha equals to approximately equals to alpha. Alpha equals to okay minus H by minus U. H by minus U. Okay. Tan beta equals to beta. Tan beta equals to approximately equals to beta equals to H by minus R. Okay. Same thing with third component also. Tan gamma equals to H by minus V. Okay. In this the alpha, beta, gamma substitute the equation number 3. Alpha, beta, gamma substitute equation number 3. Okay. 2 beta is equals to alpha plus gamma. 2 beta, how much beta is there? H by minus 2R. H by minus R. Okay. Is equals to alpha plus gamma. how much alpha? H by minus u. H by minus u plus how much gamma is there? H by v. H by minus v. Okay. Here is minus is there. Minus gamma add minus cancel. Okay. Here is numerator. H is common. H is also cancel. Means here the H is common. H is cancel. Okay. Remainder is 2 by r equals to 1 by b. 1 by u plus 1 by b. Okay. Focal length is there. Focal length f equals to r by 2. The relation between focal length and radius of curvature of f equals to r by 2. Okay. Here we take the r will become numerator. Denominator by denominator. Means okay. 1 by r by 2. In this the 2 will become numerator. Here is r by 2 given f only. Also 1 by u plus 1 by b. R by 2 can here is f equals to r by 2. Substitute means 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by b. This is your mirror equation. 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by b. What is meant by f small f? Focal length. What is meant by u? Object distance. What is meant by v? Image distance. This is your mirror equation. Thank you to all.